OnePlus proves once again it's the master of flagship phone value with the OnePlus 13 despite another price increase. Battery life remains a standout feature while the OnePlus 13 cameras, screen and software all help round out the phone's feature set. Some uneven photo brightness and shorter software support aside, it's going to be hard to find a better value flagship for less the rest of 2025. It may be an unlucky number for some, but the OnePlus 13 has proven to be a lucky newcomer to the Android phone market. A price increase from OnePlus may leave a bad first impression, but the OnePlus 13 excels in areas you have come to expect, such as screen quality, battery life, and charging speed, while also offering the image quality necessary to make it one of the best phones you can buy. Granted, the OnePlus 13 has a fast mover advantage while launching literally in the first week of 2025. It's also one of a handful of phones already using the latest Snapdragon chipset for strong performance while matching its rivals for AI features. That said, updated models from Samsung and Google will arrive in 2025. The Galaxy S25 should be here very quickly. In fact, and those phones could offer improvements of their own that the OnePlus 13 can't match, not without software updates at any rate. You can buy a OnePlus 13 outright from its January 7 launch date. There is no pre-order period this time. Your phone will start traveling to you as soon as you hit the buy button. As for what you will pay, the OnePlus 13 commands a price of $899 for the standard 12GB RAM to 56GB storage version and $999 for the 16GB and 512GB model. That's a $100 increase over the OnePlus 12 starting price, which saw an identical increase from the cost of the OnePlus 11. Getting two price increases in 2 years really stings, but fortunately, this price is still less than what you had paid for an equivalent rival phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra costs $1,299, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will run you $1,099. Turn to an iPhone 16 Pro Max, you will pay at least $1,199. That context makes the OnePlus 13 price a little more palatable. The OnePlus 13's camera are Hasselblad tuned just like recent OnePlus flagships, but this time the resolution of the ultra-wide camera has been increased while the telephoto resolution decreases from the OnePlus 12. That leaves us with a trio of 50 megapixel sensors for the rear cameras consisting of main, ultra-wide and 3x telephoto. Up front you get a 32 megapixel camera. Here are some camera samples and video samples of the OnePlus 13. Although it's more expensive than its predecessors and still lags behind in promised software support, the OnePlus 13 remains an amazing value for a flagship Android phone. While it's entirely possible that the Galaxy S25 series appears within just few weeks and changes the game, the current closest competitors specs-wise for the OnePlus 13 all cost more, and equivalently priced models all lack in one or more areas compared to the new OnePlus. The large feature-packed display, awesome battery life, and clever new software features are things we have seen from OnePlus before, but it's the improved cameras that are the OnePlus 13's crowning achievement. It's the closest the companies ever got to the masters of smartphone photography, Samsung, Google, and Apple, and while it's not a perfect match yet, you don't lose out on much by taking photos through the OnePlus 13's lenses instead of an iPhone, Galaxy, or Pixel. The OnePlus 13 deserves a high spot on our best Android phones page and likewise on our guide to best phones overall. Don't skip over this phone when looking for your next handset, even as we progress through the year and more updated phones appear. Because even if they match the OnePlus 13 on specs or beat its photography or performance, they certainly won't beat it in a dollar for dollar comparison. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.